Group 5, and we will be presenting the result of our discussion, program cell death and tumor necrosis factor. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Kristia Paramita and my student ID is 014.
My name is Nika Desina Mahani. My student ID is 019 and my partner.
My name is Nima Desina Putri. My student ID is 025.
Okay, let's start with the first slide. And now our topic discussion. The first is definition of PCD and TNF. Number 2 is type of PCD and TNF. Number 3 is characteristic of PCD and TNF. Number 4 is difference between PCD and TNF and relationship between PCD and TNF. And the last is roles of PCD and TNF. Next slide. Okay. What is program cell death? Program cell death or PCD is a process of cell death that occurs is a planet controlled and genetically regulated manner by the body. This process is an essential part of normal biological mechanism to maintain a balance between cell formation and cell destruction. Next is important role PCD. PCD plays an important role in maintaining tissue homeostasis, which is the balance of tissue structure and function, as well as preventing abnormal cell growth, such as in cancer or other tissue disorders. This is the types of PCD. Number 1 is apoptosis, number 2 is ferroptosis, number 3 is necroptosis, and the last is autophagy. Okay, next slide.
Okay, what is tumor necrosis factor? Tumor necrosis factor or TNF is a pro-inflammatory cytokine that plays an important role in the immune system. TNF is primarily produced by macrophage, but can also be secreted by T lymphocytes, natural killer, or NK cell, and various other immune cells. This cytokine function as a signaling molecule that help immune cells communicate in response to infection, tissue injury, or the presence of abnormal cells such as cancer cells. Next, main role TNF. TNF plays a major role in regulating the inflammation process, activating immune response, and inducing program cell death or apoptosis in damaged, infected, or malignant cell. Through this mechanism, TNF helps the body control tumor growth, fight infection, and maintain the balance of the immune system. Type of TNF. Number 1, TNF-alpha, the main and most widely known form. And number 2, TNF-beta, produced by activate T lymphocytes. Next, characteristic feature program cell death or PCD. Number 1, cell shrinkage. Number 2, change in the cell nucleus. Number 3, formation of bleeding and apoptosis bodies. And the last, rapid phagocytosis. Characteristic feature tumor necrosis factor or TNF. Number 1 is a pro-inflammatory cytokine, and number 2 causes systematic inflammatory symptoms. Number 3 produced by macrophages and other immune cells, and the last plays a role in cell death or necrosis or apoptosis.
Next is different inflammation and cell death, including tumor cells. Number 2, it is a signaling molecule or lignin that can trigger PCD in other cells but also has many other functions such as inflammation and immunity. Number 3, acting as a key mediator of inflammation and immunity, it is one of the signals that can trigger PCD in other cell B. Number 4, bind to specific receptor on the surface of target cell, which then activate intracellular signaling pathways that can trigger PCD, inflammation, or other function. Next, the relationship between PCD and TNF. TNF as a trigger of PCD, a major cytokine that can activate programmed cell death pathways, especially apoptosis and necrosis. Apoptosis pathway induced by TNF, TNF by 2 TNFR1 and activitas caspase 8, activitas caspase 3 leads to apoptosis. Next, necroptosis pathway induced by TNF when caspase 8 is inhibited of inactive. TNF can activate the REPK1, REPK3, and LKL complex, trigger necroptosis or a form of programmed necrosis. And roles of TNF in regulating PCD. TNF regulates the balance between cell survival and cell death. Next, role of PCD in the immune system. Remove immune cells that have completed their function after an infection. Prevents autoimmune reception by elimination immune cells that attack the body's own tissues. If PCD is described, autoimmune disease or cancer might develop.
Okay, that's all our presentation. Does anyone have any question? Okay, Diana.
Okay, my name is Rahina Dewi. My cell ID is 009. I want to ask about what is the PCD process considered a defense mechanism against cancer?
Okay, thank you. Your question. Next. Nah.
Okay, my name is Lina and my study ID is 007 and my question is what is the relationship between distribution in PCD pathways and autoimmune disease?
Okay, thank you. Let us discuss first. Okay, let me answer the question. The question is, why is the PCD process considered a defense mechanism against cancer? The answer is because PCD eliminates cells that have DNA mutation or genetic damage before they become malignant. When this process fails, abnormal cells can survive and develop into cancer.
Okay, I will answer Nina's question. What is the relationship between described in PCD pathways and autoimmune disease? Answer: if PCD fails to eliminate immune cells that are no longer dead, this cell may attack the body's own tissues, triggering autoimmune reactions such as lupus or rheumatoid arthritis.
Okay, thank you. Next one. conclusion. The conclusion is programmed cell death or PCD is a controlled process that removes damaged or unnecessary cells to maintain tissue balance. Tumor necrosis factor or TNF is a cytokine that regulates inflammation and can trigger PCD, especially apoptosis and necroptosis. Both PCD and TNF play essential roles in maintaining homeostasis, preventing abnormal cell growth, and supporting immune defense. Disruption of this mechanism can lead to diseases such as cancer or autoimmune disorder. Okay, that's all of our presentation. We will say thank you and for your attention. See you and goodbye.